How are you feeling about today?
I'm super pumped right now. It's obviously, Ottawa's a great organization. To be a part of it now, it's an awesome feeling, and I'm going to be really happy to celebrate with my family and friends later.
Before you got here, Jeff was just talking to your dad about the potential of you two fighting, and he said, if you know what's good for you, you will not. But you guys have a really intense sibling rivalry. What are some of the battles like in the Tkachuk household?
Yeah, so we did that one time for the athletic, and that even got pretty competitive. But basketball, roller hockey, mini sticks, there's always compete, and we're always trying to win. So, we had a blast, and obviously super happy right now.
Super happy and super confident. Like you said, Darren Millard, he's got swagger.